Boss, what if I told you that in just a few months, every single DSLR and multi-thousand-dollar cinema camera on the planet is going to be sold for scrap metal prices? You probably wouldn't believe me, right? It sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie. But guys, a bombshell dropped in the tech world today, one so loud that senior engineers at Canon, Nikon, and RED are waking up at 3 a.m. just to chug a glass of cold water and stare at the ceiling. And the phone we are talking about today is no ordinary device. This is the Sony XPERIA Pro-X ALPHA. The Alpha branding in its name tells you everything you need to know. This is the brand new king of the smartphone jungle. And its camera. Bro, this thing is literally not from this planet. So, without any fluff or wasted intros, let's dive straight into the ultimate undertaker of the tech world. Design. Now, you might be thinking, hey, we've already seen phones with 3, 4, or 5 cameras. What's new here? Here is the twist, my friends. Sony completely got rid of those tiny little mouse hole lenses on the back of the phone. As soon as you flip this device over, you are greeted by a massive, intimidating, authentic DSLR-style variable aperture lens. Oh yeah, the exact kind of glass Hollywood uses to shoot blockbusters like Avatar, John Wick, and Interstellar. That's right, you can physically twist the lens ring with your fingers to open and close it from f1.2 all the way to f5.6. Imagine sitting at a coffee shop or on a college campus with this phone resting on the table. The guy at the next table will just let his coffee go cold, staring and wondering, is that a camera with a SIM card slot, or a phone with a telescope attached? And you can just pop your collar and say, both, baby. Both. Now let's talk about the build. Forget about standard aluminum and glass that shatter the second you drop them. This phone is forged from grade 5 titanium alloy, the exact same metal used to build space rocket engines. If you accidentally drop this phone, heaven only knows what happens to the floor, but it's definitely leaving a crater. Pair it with the magnetic cinema grip, and the moment you hold it, you'll feel like you're walking around with an entire Hollywood studio right in your pocket. The DSLR killer camera. Now let's talk about the beating heart of this beast, the camera. Instead of slapping 50 useless lenses on the back, Sony gave us one ultimate powerhouse of a lens. Hidden inside is a staggering 500 megapixel monster sensor. And this isn't just a marketing numbers game, folks. Backing it up is a massive 1.2-inch CMOS sensor, which is roughly 12 times larger than standard smartphone sensors. Imagine what happens when 500 megapixel clarity meets a sensor that large. You can zoom into a photo as much as you want, the pixels simply refuse to break. In pitch black darkness, it pulls in so much light that your friends will ask, wait, did you shoot this at night or in broad daylight? Let's talk about that variable aperture again. Want a portrait shot with background blur so buttery smooth it feels illegal? Drop it to f1.2 for pure, natural bokeh. As for zoom capabilities, you get 10x pure optical zoom, and thanks to that 500 megapixel sensor, a mind-blowing 200x hybrid zoom. Sitting in the very last row of a stadium, you can literally count the individual eyelashes of the singer on stage. And video recording, oh man, top-tier filmmakers are about to break a serious sweat. We're talking 12K video recording, because 8K is officially old news. Plus, you get 4K at 240 FPS ultra slow motion. Content creators and short-form video editors are going to lose their minds. Display. When you're shooting footage in 12K, your display needs to match the hype. Sony has equipped this phone with a 6.9-inch Bravia XR 4K HDR OLED display featuring a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Swiping across this screen feels like gliding your fingers over pure velvet. Worried about not seeing your screen under harsh sunlight? Forget about it. It pumps out a blistering 4,500 nits of peak brightness. It shines so bright in the middle of a desert afternoon, it looks like a second sun just rose. Performance. Powering this absolute unit is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor, built on the world's most advanced 2nm architecture. Edit 4 separate 4K timelines simultaneously while running heavy-duty gaming apps in the background, and you still won't find a single stutter or lag. Thinking a machine this powerful must turn into a glowing hotplate? Think again. Sony has crammed an active cooling fan directly inside the chassis. The moment the phone handles heavy loads, the internal fan kicks in to keep things ice cold. All of this runs on clean, bloatware-free, pure stock Android 17. Battery life. Now, you're probably thinking, a built-in spinning fan, a 500 megapixel camera, and 12K recording. The battery is going to die in 30 minutes. That's the plot twist, my friends. Sony packed a massive 9500 mAh monster graphene battery inside this frame. Under normal use, you won't need to touch a charger for 3 solid days. Even if you're out shooting video day and night like a maniac, you'll still roll into bed with 30% battery left to spare. To top it all off, it features 125-watt ultra-fast charging that takes you from 0% to 100% in just 18 minutes. By the time you finish your morning coffee, this beast is fully juiced and ready to cause chaos again. Price and availability. Now for the million-dollar question. When does this drop, and how much will it hurt our wallets? Boss, the Sony Xperia Pro-X Alpha is currently sitting as a super advanced concept that Sony is actively developing behind closed doors. Industry leaks suggest we might get our first official glimpse toward the end of 2026 or early 2027. As for the price, when a titanium body, a 500 megapixel camera, and 12K video capability hit the market, it's expected to land around $2,000 to $2,500. Sounds like a steep price tag, right? But think about it, a professional standalone camera and lens setup easily runs you $4,000 to $5,000 plus. Here, you're getting all of that packed into a device that effortlessly slips right into your pocket. So, tech fam, the ball is in your court now. Do you think this 500 megapixel camera monster is about to spark a genuine revolution in the smartphone industry? Would you drop $2,000 on a phone like this? Are Canon, Nikon, and Red executives right to be losing sleep over it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one.